what if I really want to use my Scratch application offline? So if you want to have your application offline, you don't want to work online on the website, you can even download the software on your system. So this is the link, that is scratch.mit.edu download. I'll give this link directly on Moodle so that you can directly click on that link and you will be here. Now here the first thing is you need to find out what type of system you are using. You are using Windows, or you are having a Mac operating system, that is any iPad, or you are having a Chrome operating system, or you are having an Android. So if you are having a tablet and on that tablet you have Android operating system, you can select this version. Because I'm using a laptop and that too with the Windows operating system, I have selected this, and these are the versions which are available here. So there are few questions also. If you want to see, you can see them. Now if you want to download this, you can download the Scratch app. So for installing the Scratch app for your Windows, you need to direct download. You need to click here like this. Once you click here, this will get download here. So you will get your exe file directly when you click here direct download, or you can go to the Microsoft and you can go to the store and you can download your Scratch for your desktop. So these are the two available options for downloading an offline version of Scratch. Now the moment it is getting download, I can discuss other which are available here. You need the following requirements. Either you must have a Windows 10 plus or Windows, any higher version after Windows 10, or Mac operating system 10.13 and higher version, or Chrome operating system, or Android 6 plus 6.0 plus higher version. Now the other older versions are Scratch 1.4 and Scratch 2 offline editor. Work on the previous versions of Scratch, you can even select those two, but of course the new versions have more added elements, so I'll recommend to use the third version, that is Scratch 3.22. Now there are some frequently asked questions. They have given all the answers for those questions also, so you can read all these questions and you can find out these answers. Like, do I have to download an app to use Scratch? If you want to work online, you can easily work on the website, or you can have the downloaded software on your system. Another question, how do I connect with the Scratch application to hardware device? You will need to install. Like here I'm installing it. It is a big software. It will take time to get downloaded, and then we'll open the exe file and I'll let you know how you can download this and this execute file and use it. Now, can I share the online community from the Scratch app for Windows? You can share directly to your online community from Scratch app for Windows is not currently supported. So if you have created anything on your offline version, you have to upload that to the website and then you can share your project there. So you can't directly share the project from the offline to the online community. Then can I use both things, that is the offline version and online versions, both in the same browser? Yes, you can use it. You can easily install that on your Android phone? Then it's no. You can download this on your Android tablets. It works perfectly on the tablets, but right now presently they do not support any software for the Android phone. So how you can update the Scratch app? To update this, you need to download the latest version. Suppose if a higher version is released by the Scratch platform, you need to download that version. And well, you can have your available app for the Linux. They are currently not supporting the Linux version. They are working over that and it will be there in future. So these are the following questions which they have already answered, and once this setup is properly installed, is properly downloaded on my system, there are more 2 minutes, and after that we can easily execute, we'll have the executable file, and then we can have that on our system. So in the video I'm going to tell you how I can download and install the system on my desktop. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll discuss how to have offline version of Scratch on our system.